Either this is video 332. We are getting there. You're going to look at truth tables today. Okay, so consider the following statement. If all the students show up, then Joanne will buy donuts. The hypothesis, okay, hypothesis is the first part, whatever comes after if. All the students show up. Remember, don't include the word if. Then, and my conclusion is, when we'll buy donuts. All right, now we want to draw Venn diagram. When you draw them, the hypothesis is the hypothesis goes in there. So it's all the students show up. Okay, whoops. Donuts. There we go. Okay, so hypothesis. So this is, oops. That's the B. Q. Now, why they wouldn't just use, I don't know, H for hypothesis and C for conclusion. I don't know. I didn't take logic classes at university. So here comes the truth table. We want to see how these statements all work. So if all the students show up and Joanne buys some donuts, so that, let's call this A, is right there. That makes sense, right? Because all the students showing up is a subset of Joanne buying donuts. So everything is true. Everybody's happy. Everybody showed up. I kept my promise. We got donuts. All right, so now, calls B, not all the students showed up. So Joanne didn't buy donuts. Fair enough. So if this is the area where all the students showed up, then there is the chance. Whoops. Wrong. Put it over here. No, put it over here. I didn't even buy donuts. Well, that wasn't the deal. Can't be mad at me. Not everybody showed up. So if this is false, not everybody showed up, and I didn't have to buy donuts, then that would be a not space, right? Because this circle is all the times that I bought donuts. So that's still true. Let's keep going. Now, we'll call this C. Not all the students showed up, but I could still buy donuts. Okay, so I never said that I wouldn't buy donuts every day. So where's that go in our diagram? So it's not here, but it is still in this area. Somewhere in this outer circle. So that's still true. In other words, it still exists somewhere in our picture. However, this is the one. If all the students show up, which means I should be in this circle, and Joanne doesn't buy donuts, and that's false. There's no place in the diagram to put that D, because the moment I say it's supposed everybody shows up, I should be here, which means I have to buy donuts. So I broke my promise. That is considered to be false in the truth table. Oh, I just answered all those questions. So this one, and right, doesn't, can you see that? Yeah. Work in diagram. So if whatever statement you make is going to be true, unless the hypothesis is true and the conclusion is false, I don't follow through on my promise, then the whole thing is false. Otherwise, it's true. End of the truth table.